Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome me back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been around very much. This is one of those summers that never ended. It was like 95 degrees, 100% humidity almost every day, and just didn't feel like doing a whole lot of car related content. Just freaking sweating to death. So anyway, now that it's getting cooler out, today is like 62 degrees, which is awesome. But I do plan on uploading a lot more content. And I'm telling you guys, the next video I upload, it's going to take me a little while to put together, but it's an amazing story of a Skyline R33. That's just, it's a tragic story with somewhat of a happy conclusion, but the story behind it is amazing. So I don't care if you watch this video, but watch the next one for sure, because it's really good, or I think it's going to be good, or at least the story behind it is good. I don't know how the video is going to be. Sounds so good. Anyway guys, I hope you can hear me over the exhaust, but this is part 3 of the 240z build, and basically I've shot a lot of this footage over the last couple of months, and now just finally getting a chance to put it together. So anyway, let's go take a look a couple of months back. Alright, quick update on the 240. Let's just call this part 3. The owner brought in some very cool wheels. I can't remember what that style of rim is called, but I love them. Really nice tires. Here you get a good shot of the suspension. They took the motor out, which is right here. And there's a little bit of frame rail damage, which they are working on right now. These wheels look so good on this car. Here's the old wheels. They own that.
Is that right, Striker?
Alright, so that's it for part 3 of the 240 build, and I said this last time, but hopefully next time I'm here, this car is going to be ready to go to paint, but it's looking pretty damn cool now. So while I was there that day, here's just some other random footage that I shot. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. This is a Hero 6 Black that I've been using lately, and the image stabilization normally is fantastic, but for some reason it just seems to be shutting off randomly. And I don't know that's happening, so sorry that a lot of this footage has been shaky lately. Because I'm thinking that it's on, and I'm not really paying attention to holding the camera steady or anything, so I apologize for that. I'm back in the showroom here at 865, and this Camaro is still here, still for sale, but I wanted to show it again because it's been detailed. Looks pretty good. The paint, it's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty nice. It wasn't painted here. It was painted, actually I don't know where it was painted. Might be hard to see because of the glare coming in. Alright, I know you guys have seen this car before. This is my brother's Corvette. I was just surprised by this. I didn't know he was selling it. But it's absolutely perfect. Maybe you can see him. 2004 Z06. That is not a misprint. 485 original miles. So 14-year-old car with 400 miles on it, almost 500 miles. So here's a 280Z. I did not get any earlier video of this car. I wish I did, but I think 865 just painted the quarters and the roof. Pretty freaking clean 280. Anyway, I think this one's ready to go. Alright, so this is a buddy of mine's jet ski, and there was a hole right there that they fixed up. Came out great. Well, this sucks. Alright guys, that was a quick status update from 865 and the latest progress on the 240Z build. So I guess this is part 3. Hopefully part 4 will be when that thing actually goes into paint. So it's going to be pretty cool when it's done. Anyway, a couple of weeks after that, I went back to the shop and they got a movable lift. And so I did a time lapse of that being assembled. That's actually pretty cool because you can just move it all over the shop basically. But actually, I think once they got it in place, they haven't moved it since. So I don't know. But anyway, check it out. Alright guys, so here's a quick update on the 240. I'm just going to add this to the part 3 video because it hasn't been that long ago since I made that or filmed that part. But anyway, all the body parts are painted. I don't know if you guys can see this on here, but paint is awesome. Came out really, really good. Definitely hard to tell in this lighting, especially with them being up on this shelf, but really nice. Nice color. All the frame rails are painted now. I can't wait to see this car when it's done. Anyway, there's no shine on this paint, or no gloss rather, because he just wet sanded it. love those wheels. So I don't know how much longer it's going to be before this thing is back together. I'm assuming it's not going to be too long since all the body parts are painted now. And I don't know how long the wet sanding process takes and buffing and all that, but I think it's going to be together pretty soon. I'll definitely make a complete separate video once this thing is completely done. It's definitely going to be a cool looking car though. I'm telling you guys, I still say that the resonated short tails for the 370 is probably the best and most instant gratification mod you could do for these cars. I never get tired of that sound. But anyway, I think one of the things I'm going to do next is a Stillen Generation 3 cold air intake, the long tube version. So if anybody has those, I would appreciate some feedback on whether it's worth it or not. They claim 15 to 16 horsepower without a tune, which I just find almost, it's just not believable. But they dynoed it, and so we'll see. I don't know. For 15 horsepower for that price, I don't know what it cost. 400, 500 bucks. That's pretty cheap horsepower. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching. Sorry again it's been so long since I've uploaded anything, but that's going to change here soon. Please stay tuned for the next video with this R33. It's going to be an amazing story. So, thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would